Hello guys, this is Mainak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our channel. Today we are at the construction site of Builtify where bending of reinforcement bar is going on. So before starting, let us discuss about this bar bending machine. So this machine, as you can see here, it is called the bar bending machine. Now what we have here? We have here switches, and this machine also needs gear oil for its operation. These switches are for the control purpose, and we have pins here. You have one pin here, two pin, and also we have another pin here. So these pins are put in such a way so that they decide the angle of the bending of the reinforcement bars. So now in this machine we can bend reinforcement up to 55 mm. We can also bend reinforcements using different machines where the capacities are 25 mm and 32 mm. So this machine's capacity is 55 mm. So we can bend reinforcement bars of diameter up to 55 mm here. So this is a 25 mm reinforcement which is being bent here, as you can see. So let us start the video. As you can see how easily the reinforcement is being bent. So what happens with this machine is, as you can see, it also has wheels here. So this machine is portable. You can move this machine from one place to another place. And in this process, as it requires less labor, so the production capacity automatically increases. So this was a bar bending machine which you saw. As you can see, very less labors are required in this process. So if you are planning to construct your dream house, or you are planning to construct any industrial or commercial building, you can contact us using the number below. So guys, that's all for today. For staying connected to our channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.